Question 13, the equation that equals negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2 is true for all values of x where it's not 2 over a. And the only reason they provide that is because if x were 2 over a, this comes out to 0. You would have a times 2 over a minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which is 0. So then you would have undefined. You would be dividing by 0. So they just mentioned that x cannot be 2 over a. But otherwise, it's true for all values of x, where x is not 2 over a. Okay, what's the value of a? Okay, so what we want to do is try to compare these two. And we notice that they have denominators of ax minus 2 here, ax minus 2 over there. So what I could do is multiply everything by ax minus 2. So let's multiply, if you take this 24x squared plus 25x minus 47 over ax minus 2, and that's equal to negative 8x minus 3 minus 53 over ax minus 2. Let me make that a little clearer. 53 over ax minus 2. What I'll do is I'll multiply everything by ax minus 2. So I'm going to take this entire left side and times ax minus 2. And do the same thing on this side. We're going to times by ax minus 2. Now, the left side, these are gone. And you end up with 24x squared plus 25x minus 47. Here, you would have negative 8x, has to multiply by ax minus 2. And then minus 3, that also has to multiply by ax minus 2. I'm distributing the ax minus 2. And finally, you would have negative 53, because for that case, the ax minus 2 would cancel with that ax minus 2 on the denominator. Okay, this winds up being, let's just work on the right side. You can distribute. You have negative 8ax squared. And if you keep going, you notice there's no other x squared term. You would have, that's plus, all these extra steps are unnecessary to get the answer, but I'll just do it to show you the math. Plus 16x minus 3ax plus 6, and then minus 53. And if you keep going, that's where they get the negative 47. Minus 8ax squared. This becomes plus 16x. We can leave it alone, minus 3ax. And this is negative 47, and that's where they get the negative 47. All this is not that relevant. What we really cared about was the value of a. And we can simply compare the coefficient of the x squared term. And we could have done it without expanding all this out. You got 24 there. You got negative 8a there. So those have to be the same. So you have negative 8a must be 24. And from here you can solve for a. You just divide by negative 8. And you would get a must be negative 3. So the answer is choice B.